Okay, so looking at some theoretical probability. So a spinner with the numbers 1 to 7 is spun. The numbers are evenly spaced. List the sample space. So the sample space is what all the possible outcomes are. So we're just going to list them. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Simple stuff. B, find the probability of landing a 6. Well, probability is a 1 in 7, okay, and I'd also say that it is unlikely. Okay, so you can answer both ways. Alright, that's fine. Let's have a look at C. Find the probability of landing an 8. It's the same probability as landing a 6, so it's still a 1 in 7 and unlikely. For D, find the probability of a 2 and a 4. Our probability goes up to a 2 in 7 here, 2 in 7 chance. However, it is still unlikely that that would happen. For E, find the probability of an even number. So let's have a look at our sets of data again. Our even numbers, we've got 1, 2, 3 even numbers. So our probability is going to be a 3 in 7 chance, but once again, it's still not more than 50%, so it's still unlikely. For F, it says find the probability of an odd. Well, okay, if there's 3 out of 7 even numbers, there's got to be 4 out of 7 odd numbers. So finally, we have an event that is going to be likely. Give an example of an event having the probability of 1. If I have something that has the probability of 1, it means that the probability of you watching this video and being in year 7 is the probability of 1. So that means that you are in year 7 and you are watching this video while you're in year 7. So for that to happen, it means that it's certain, okay, if you have the probability of 1. So if I can give an example of an event where I'm definitely going to land on any number, I could just say this. The spinner will land on a number between 1 and 7. Okay, that's definitely going to happen. Alright, so that's a probability of 1. Let's have a look at question 10. The bag contains various coloured marbles. Some are red, some are blue, some are yellow, and some are green. You were told that the probability of being a red inside that bag, half. Probability of a blue is 1 in 4, and the probability of a yellow is 1 in 6. You are not told the probability of selecting a green marble. If there are 24 marbles, find how many there are of each colour. Okay, so here you need to find the probability of each marble. Now there's a few ways to do this. Usually what I do is, firstly I say, okay, well how many do we have? We've got 24. Okay, we've got 24 as a total. And sometimes it's easy just to draw a bar like this. okay? And I've got half of them are red. All right, so half of 24 are red, definitely. Okay, so that means it equals 12. Okay, then I know that a quarter, all right, so quarter is about here. A quarter is blue. All right, now a quarter of 24, 24 divided by 4 is 6. Okay, and then we're left with a sixth being yellow, and also we don't know how many green marbles there are. So we need to work out how many yellow marbles there are. If we work out how many yellow marbles there are, we can then decide how many we have in just by taking away how many marbles are going to be green. So let's have a look at a way that we can work out how many of these marbles are going to be yellow. So the easiest way to do that is we have 24 marbles. If I divide it by the denominator of the yellow type, which is 6, 24 divided by 6 is 4, and I have one of them. So that means I have 4 yellow marbles. Okay, so yellow equals 4. And then, if I have a look here, I've got 6 and 4, which is 10, and plus 12 is 22, which means that I have green equals 2 marbles, okay, because there's only 2 left to make up that 24. Let's have a look now at the second question here. What is the probability of getting a green marble? Well, it's 2 in 24. And if we simplify that fraction, it's 1 in 12. Okay? If there are 36 marbles, find how many there are of each colour. What is the probability of getting a green marble? Okay, so once again, we're going up here to 36 marbles. So we're going up by 12. All right, 12 marbles. So once again, half of them will go to blue. So that means, sorry, to red. So that means red will equal 18 marbles. A quarter of them will go to blue. So a quarter of 12 is 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. So blue will equal 9. And then we have our yellow and green. So a quarter of 12 is 3. Sorry, I've already done that. What was blue? Blue was a quarter. Red was a half. Okay, good. So we're on to yellow now, which is a sixth. And then we've got green after that. Okay, so let's have a look at how many we've got left. So here we've got 18 and 9, so that's 27. So that means we have 9 marbles left. 9 marbles left to give out. So 1/6 of them need to go to yellow. So if we once again just divide 12 by 6, we get 2, and 1/6 of them is only 2. So that means yellow is 6 marbles, and green gets whatever is left over from that. So 27 plus 6 is 33, and then obviously we have 3 marbles to make up our 36. So our new count is 18 red, 9 blue, 6 yellow, and 3 green. Now, if it's too complicated to split up that 12, like I just did then, go back and start again with 36 marbles, okay, and split them up into those fractions. So red equals a half, blue equals a quarter, yellow equals a sixth, and then green gets whatever is left over. Okay. Now that I've done those, I'll let you have a go at the rest of those questions there.